Okay, hello guys and welcome to new video. Actually, this is the latest one. I want to share my view for gold for next week, what will happen, and I will share with you. If you not agree, it's up to you. But I want still share my view on gold. Okay, that's all. So let's go. We start from monthly. Okay, step by step, I already teach you how to mapping. Start from monthly, weekly, and daily. Yes. Okay, monthly. Don't focus on monthly because monthly is always buy. Weekly, okay, weekly. Okay, next step, you need to use line chart to analysis market. You need to use line chart. Okay, first marking A, marking V. Stand for A, stand for R, V stand for S. R resistor, right? S for support. Okay, so you can use marking this level as a resistance zone at weekly. Okay, as for now, last week gold respect this key level weekly. Okay, still not breakout, still respect, so still have potential for selling. And if you ask me, I'm still want gold for selling before gold fly high, before gold can break 1961 on weekly candle. Okay, what next? Okay, we can use the trend line from the lowest one. We can use still at the highest one, so no need to use this trend line because this is weekly. So just marking key level on weekly. Next, daily. Daily. Okay, daily. Okay, next, marking here and marking here. Okay, now check. Okay, still respect and sharp. Okay, so daily closing on bearish on last Friday and making a engulfing candle formation. So my prediction, gold still can falling before gold one fly. Okay, next H4. Okay, we go step by step. Okay, okay, this is engulfing fail that everyone know, that I already shared the knowledge about engulfing fail and engulfing EE setup. Okay, this is CPI effect. We buy here, and then boom until highest one around from here around 200 pips something. So that's why on daily, on H4, gold always reject at engulfing fail here. Okay, touch, boom, will be RBS zone. Okay, for second one, still fly and respect this zone as a engulfing fail. But for third touch, my expectation gold can break and will be falling. Okay, the limitation only 2 times. Okay, but if third time reach, my expectation is gold can break this zone. Okay, so H4, my expectation, I want delete this zone and I want marking a new zone. Okay, a new zone. So first, we can use a previous pattern. Okay, we can use a trend line. Okay, just use this trend line to identify the direction. Okay, this is H4. Okay, now H4 close the right place at the trend line. Okay, if gold still respect this trend line, gold still can fly. Okay, if not, if breakout, example, next week on Monday or Tuesday, gold breakout this candle, so just waiting for the pullback and then you can go for sell until this level. Okay, because this level we can use as a zone buy. We can buy here. Because why? Because have EE setup, but I will explain later. But as for now, we focus, we need to wait. This trend line will break and pull back and falling or not. If can break, we can focus on sell. If respect, just waiting at the next setup. But as for now, I'm focused on sell if break. If break, we can focus on sell. Once pull back, we sell. Okay, the long target intraday, maybe gold can reach here, around 100 pips or something. Okay, so just marking all key level for have potential for buy. Okay, this is key level H4. Okay, next one. Okay, next one, we can use this zone as a zone buy also. Okay, okay, next, then to H1. Okay, H1 don't have any possibilities because not a good candle, but we can turn to M30. Oof, M30 also don't have any confluence, but we can use this zone. But this is break zone, okay? Just monitor, okay? Because I can marking here and marking here. Have 2 zone. Okay, why? Okay, now we need to check. Okay, H1, okay? Okay, this is, okay, we turn to line chart. Okay, this is R. This R already break, right? So potential, if break, gold can falling until this level and retest. But this is first possibilities at first zone here. Okay, for second one is, this is the best zone actually because we buy at support. We buy at support and have formation engulfing type 2 actually at this current level. And this level also have EE setup on H4, starting on H4, okay? So this is next potential gold can drop until this level before gold fly and break and break and fly until to the moon. So my expectation is gold still can sell, can falling until this level. Okay, but what if break? What if break? The answer is long sell because this structure already sideways a long time, around 3 days something. Okay, so gold need to give a second movement or big movement on next week at this area. Should be, if sell, long sell, if buy, long buy. But my expectation, we need to wait here as a first roadblock, second roadblock. If break, can break all, just waiting for engulfing fail. Okay, I already teach you engulfing fail or support become resistant, we can use as a sell zone. Okay, if breakout, if breakout, if breakout. So this is my expectation because gold already make a sideways a long time. Okay, starting here. Okay, actually gold already breakout here, but still can fly, but the resistance still strong. That's why up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and the last candle and last H1 give a break candle, break support here. So have potential. My view as for now, still can focus on selling, but we need to wait on H4, H4 breakout. Okay, we need to wait H4 breakout. If can break this trend line, yes, we can focus on sell. Okay, so just get ready. If tomorrow breakout on London session, we can focus on the pullback before we focus on sell. Okay, but for me, gold can falling. But if break, I don't know. If break, okay, if break or respect, my expectation gold can reach here. The second one here. So this is zone we can monitor for sell zone. So have 2 zone on H1. If gold respect tomorrow and fly, so we can target gold can fly until this level. Okay, if gold respect. If gold respect, so my target gold can fly until this level or keep sideways. If keep sideways, no need to trade. We need to wait a breakout structure, which is break highest or break lowest. Okay, we need to wait actually. Just waiting the game, just waiting the next confirmation. Okay, understood? So that's all. So I hope you guys clear how to marking zone, how to identify zone. Okay, so I hope this is engulfing fail. This is engulf buy, already break. So this might be gold can falling down. Okay, or straight gold can falling. Okay, that's all. Just